Hey, what's up guys, this is Stenz again. So on today's video I'm going to be showing you how I use my confirmation entry. It's a pretty enough how I use my confirmation entry. Pretty much as you can see here, this is a trade I took. Yeah, and on this trade, as you can see, it's taking on pretty much 15 minutes because that's the lowest time frame I can never take my trade. I don't go below the 15 minutes. So what I saw in this trade, that I saw displacement. Sorry, first of all, I saw an SMT divergence between TXY and JPUSD. TXY showing momentum to go low, and JPUSD also showing momentum to go low. Thereby, JPUSD was creating a lower low, and DXY was creating a lower high. And then I saw the displacement here on the XY, which showed this fair value gap and pretty much serve as an entry here model for lower time frame after the SMT divergence, which I already saw, thereby giving me like confirmation to like take the buy on JPUSD as well, as you can see. So I was aiming for price like fall lower and pretty much that. So as you can see, because we have this levels here below which price might come to respect and all, as you can see there. So now this is the JPUSD. See, JPUSD was creating lower low, so I was pretty much trying to buy up to that fair value gap, which is the next inefficiency where price might be heading to. So this is pretty much how I take my confirmation entry, because normally when I send this airdrop to my Telegram channel, I always ask them to like wait for confirmation entry to go in. When I see a confirmation or a reversal signal, I always wait for lower time frame entries and all. So this is pretty much how I will show you now. So this is on a trade I was aiming to take, and it was 4 hours, only 4 hours. It's pretty much the same as the other trade, but this was like a counter trade I was supposed to take since the other was also running in profit. So I was looking, okay, is there a possibility for this trade to like reverse? So I wanted to see more of a confirmation entry because the price was already sitting on a 4 hours inefficiency. I was looking for more of like a confirmation entry. Is price going to like displace lower or continue going up as my first trade? So I was waiting for price to like close below this opening level of this candle, or this bullish candle, is then form a fair value gap which can serve as an entry. And I pretty much waited for it. As you can see, yes, that low there, which I marked out with that yellow cycle. So I was expecting price to like close below it. Pretty much as you can see here, it's on the 30 minutes. I can take entries on 30 minutes and 15, but I can't go below 15. That is how it works. It's just a certain rules I have to like follow. Yes, so I'm pretty much seeing it here now. So I was expecting this candle to close below, right? Candle hasn't really closed, so I'll just like wait for it to like be fast. And pretty much as you can see now, it's about to create another 15-minute candle. So that 15-minute candle, I'm expecting that 15-minute candle to close the lower and also form a fair value gap for us to take our entry. If it fails to close lower and didn't give any confirmation entry or a fair value gap for me to take my entry, because I basically like take it only, I only see a fair value gap as my means of entry. I know there are other means of entry like another block and this, but fair value gap I prioritize this as my main, like it's very effective for me, so I actually do respect it. You have to use what works for you, so I prioritize fair value gap mostly. So I'm expecting price to like close lower and for deeply. So that's what we are going to still be waiting for. So in the next 15 minutes, I'm going to see how this candle here close and just watch how it reacts. I pay attention to each and every candle because that's how I can know what I'm doing and what is about to like happen. So that's it, guys. So pretty much that was it. So if you check here, on 5 minutes it's created an entry, but I can't take that because my plan is 15 minutes and above, so I have to like stick with my plan. So pretty much I had to wait for a week. So as you can see, on the 15 minutes it has the candle has closed above and it closed below. Thereby the wick, there wasn't a distance between each wick, which is the formation of a fair value gap. So there was no fair value gap form, so pretty much no entry. So this entry is on 15 minutes, it is not that value. I wanted to see a fair value gap just as the first trade I showed you when the video started, something like that, like similar like that. You need to have like a fair value gap after taking out liquidity displacement, then you have a fair value gap which supports as an entry. So no entry model here, so I might look on the 30 minutes to see if I might see entry there. If no entry there, then this trade is not valid. So that's pretty much how I like go into trade, how I watch price, like watch market closely. You want to be careful in every aspect of everything you are doing. These markets, you are putting money in the line. You don't want to like take careless trades which you do not like monitor, read the price carefully before going and all that. So that's pretty much it. So yeah, as you can see, this trade did play out. The buyer trade at the first two did play out. Yeah, so they pretty much that first drop down which we were looking to take sale and the confirmation entry didn't show up was pretty much like a retest. So it came down, retested, there was retested, our setup was still valid because it didn't take out the stop loss and it didn't form a confirmation entry which we were looking for at the video I just showed you. So pretty much we held the trade and it went up to our next POI, and then at New York session it fell. We didn't take any trade at then because the price was a bit choppy, and so that was it, guys. And also one last thing, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and do share, comments. Thank you. And for those of you who are interested in our daily setup or weekly setup predictions, I normally send it to my Telegram channel. Just set up like this. Send to my Telegram channel. We take the trades together, those who are available then, and sometimes we also share entry, we share our predictions for the week.